Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by entering admin mode so the lock will accept new fingerprints. Enter your admin PIN or use the master key to unlock that menu. This is mandatory. Once in, make sure batteries read healthy to prevent mid-process shutdown because an interrupted enrollment corrupts entries. You should stand close to the scanner and wipe the sensor with a soft cloth to remove oils. When ready, select Fingerprint Enrollment from the admin menu and press Confirm to begin the first enrollment step. Now you perform the detailed captures that build the fingerprint template. Place the chosen finger flat on the sensor exactly as the screen shows, hold still for a second, then lift when prompted. Each capture combines to improve accuracy. Repeat for the required 3 to 5 scans, slightly rotating the fingertip between scans to record edges and center. If the lock signals a poor read, clean the finger and sensor, then redo that capture. Make sure to name or tag the profile if the menu asks, then save. Finish by saving the new fingerprint and immediately testing it 3 times from different angles to verify consistent recognition. If any test fails, delete that fingerprint slot and repeat enrollment. Persistent failures usually mean either low battery or a dirty sensor. Replace batteries or clean the sensor with isopropyl on a lint-free cloth, then re-enroll. If problems continue, reboot the lock per the manual and re-enter admin mode. This often clears temporary glitches and lets you successfully add the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.